हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव क्विज अरीना में। आज के करंट अफेयर्स सवाल आपके यूपीएससी, रेलवे और सभी प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं के लिए बेहद इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो बिना देर किए हुए चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Which day is observed on 12th January every year in India? Answer option B, National Youth Day. National Youth Day marks the birth anniversary of whom? Answer option C, Swami Vivekananda. National Youth Day 2026 focused mainly on which theme? Answer option B, Youth Leadership and Nation Building. Which organization launched India's first space mission of 2026 on 12th January? Answer option C, ISRO. What was the name of ISRO's January 2026 launch mission? Answer option B, PSLV C-62. PSLV C-62 carried which type of satellite? Answer option C, Earth observation. PSLV C-62 was launched from which location? Answer option B, Sriharikota. What is the name of the Earth observation satellite launched? Answer option A, EOS-N1. Which country played an ODI series against India in January 2026? Answer option C, New Zealand. India won the first ODI match against New Zealand in January 2026. Answer option A, true. Which Indian cricketer played a key innings in the first ODI versus New Zealand? Answer option C, Virat Kohli. Who was ruled out of the ODI series due to injury? Answer option B, Rishabh Pant. Who replaced Rishabh Pant in the ODI squad? Answer option C, Dhruv Judel. Which weather condition affected North India on 12th January 2026? Answer option C, cold wave. Dense fog was mainly reported in which region? Answer option C, North India. Which agency issued fog and cold wave alerts? Answer option B, IMD. Due to cold wave, several states announced what? Answer option C, school closures. India Open 2026 belongs to which sports? Answer option B, badminton. India Open 2026 is part of which global series? Answer option C, BWF World Tour. The India tournament is held in which city? Answer option C, New Delhi. Which exam related document was released on 12th January 2026? Answer option C, REIT Mains Admit Card. REIT examination is related to requirement of whom? Answer option B, teachers. REIT is conducted by which state? Answer option C, Rajasthan. National Youth Day celebration are coordinated by which ministry? Answer option C, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Which program involves PM's interaction with youth on 12th January? Answer option C, Developed India at the rate 2047. Developed India at the rate 2047 aims to achieve what? Answer option C, Developed Nation status. Fog conditions mainly disrupted which transport sector? Answer option D, road and rail. Many trains were delayed mainly due to what reason? Answer option C, low visibility. 12th January comes under which session in India? Answer option C, winter. Which value was emphasized during Youth Day speeches? Answer option B, discipline and service. Swami Vivekananda addressed the world at which event? Answer option C, Parliament of Religions. Swami Vivekananda delivered his famous speech in which city? Answer option C, Chicago. Which year did Swami Vivekananda deliver the Chicago speech? Answer option C, 1893. Which age group is mainly targeted during National Youth Day? Answer option C, 15 to 29 years. Which institution organizes youth programs at national level? Answer option C, Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan. The Earth observation satellite helps mainly in which area? Answer option C, environmental monitoring. PSLV stands for what? Answer option A, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Which sportsperson was in news for India Open 2026? Answer option A, PV Sindhu. Cold wave conditions mainly occur due to what? Answer option B, western disturbances. 12th January is important mainly for which reason in India? Answer option C, youth inspiration and national development. तो दोस्तों आज का करंट अफेयर्स क्विज यहीं पर समाप्त होता है। कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं आपने कितने सवाल सही किए। वीडियो पसंद आए हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कॉम्पिटिटिव क्विज अरीना को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू।